going to talk about another plant in the art of foraging. Like I said earlier, foraging comes from the word forest. So when you're foraging, you're looking for food in the forest. Now, people never cease to amaze me. They've got this wonderful food growing in this Claybury Park, which is about 68 hectares of prime reserve. No pesticides. I've asked the questions. No pesticide, no insecticides, no herbicides. They've got all this fantastic food and they never use it. Well, guess what? Today I'm going to show you an amazing food. I'm going to give you a magnificent recipe. It will help your liver, your kidneys, your gallbladder, your duodenum, your colon, and your brain. This is an incredible food. Guess what that is? Stinging nettle. Yes, stinging nettle. Now, when I touch that, people get stung. I'm so used to it, I'm immune to it. But if you're going to pick it, you put a pair of gloves, about this long, plastic gloves, or nylon gloves, all the way to here. You pick that, and then what you do is you crack it, you break it here. You do that, you break that, and then what you do is you peel it back. You do about, probably you take 30 of those from about here, right, 30. You pick that with these seeds, okay? Now, you pick 30 of those, you just cut them with secateurs here, and like I said, because you're wearing gloves, you won't get stung, right? But I'm used to it. So you cut there, and then this is one branch. You pick, if you want to feed, say, 2 or 3 people, you pick 30 branches of that, 30, right? Now you then take them to your sink at home, you put them in the sink and you run hot water on it, right? And you wash it thoroughly. Even though this is not pesticide, no insecticides, whatever, you still need to wash it because there might be a bit of dust. So you wash it. Now when you've washed it, you take your fingers and you start here and you strip all this off. You get it? In other words, you can take all of this off the stem, like this, like that. Okay, like that, and you do that. You take all this, you keep these, and you keep the seeds, but the stem you discard. Okay, now once you wash it thoroughly, in a colander say, you then steam, you have a steamer, boiling water, steaming on top, you put all of this in the steamer softens it like spinach, softens it right up, and then you put it in a blender like a NutriBullet, or a Magimix, or a Champion. You blend that, you blend it fully, it becomes like a puree of spinach. Why is it so good for you? That's got 4 times more iron than red meat, 4 times, and none of the side effects of red meat. You eat that, and guess what I do with it? I've improved just eating that. What you do is you get a packet of Abergavenny goat cheese, really good goat cheese. Packet like that costs you just under £2. So you're going to feed 2 people, 3 people, you get 1 packet like that, or 2. You get about 30 branches like that, blend it all up, and you add apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and you put 2 tablespoons of Greek or Italian top quality Spanish extra virgin olive oil. Blend it all up, serve it on a bed of rice, and the rice can be 40% brown, 40% red, and 20% wild. If you want to know more about our recipes, go to our channel, YouTube channel called Planet Wellness, and you'll see some marvelous information in there about what you can do to improve your health. Right? I'm about to reach 75 years young, and I've been eating really well, like this sort of food since I was very young. I was taught how to heat this properly, and there's so much of it here. You can see it like that. And I never see anybody pick it. But we happen to grow this organically in our garden, which is not far away from here. This is a marvelous addition. You don't have to buy it. It's free. You don't have to buy. All you have to buy is the cottage cheese, the extra virgin olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and the sea salt. And by the way, I use a salt called Sel de Guérande. If you want to know more about it, look on the videos. You'll see my information about Sel de Guérande. I wish you the best in your recipes, and I wish you the best in your health and your wellness.